it's me, Thom. Today I'm in Michigan City, which is not in Michigan, it's in Indiana, but anyways, it's another day trip to Chicago, and because I like to try new things, I'm taking the South Shore line today. In my last video, you saw me take the Amtrak, which was amazing. And today I'm taking, like I said, the South Shore line, which is a commuter railway line that goes from South Bend, Indiana to Millennium Station in Chicago. So we had to drive a bit, like 2 hours from Grand Rapids to Michigan City. But now for $10, this train is going to bring us to downtown Chicago. I'm really excited. So I found a timetable in the ticket building. Look at the early morning. It's actually really frequent, and then later in the day we get a train about once every 2 hours, which honestly for the United States is not that bad. It's definitely more frequent than the Amtrak. So here's my ticket. It's only $10.25, which is significantly cheaper than the Amtrak. But then again, we did have to drive for 2 hours to get here. So the platform is actually not even long enough for some of the trains. This is cute. It's got like modern stuff, electric trains, but it also has a very classic feel to it. I like it. I'm excited to board the train in a few minutes. So over there I see some bi-level stock. That's pretty cool. I think we're just going to get a single level train though. And here's the best thing, look at that. It's an electrified railway. These trains are completely electric, and there are not many trains in America that are electric. The only other example I can think of right now is the Northeast Corridor. Good Japanese build.
No, not really. They do have like icebreaker.
If you're planning on taking the South Shore line, I recommend you come early because there's so many interesting train movements to see. There's our train. It's a big climb. at the color of these seats. Definitely not Amtrak, but still nice. There's a signal issue apparently. Carroll Avenue doesn't want us to leave, but they said it would only take a few minutes, so we've got about a 10-minute delay now. There we go, we're moving now. And the most interesting part of the trip is actually right away here in Michigan City. This train is going to run on the streets, like with cars and stuff. Hope it goes well. So right here, we're on the street right now. Look at this, the station's just on the sidewalk.
I guess so.
Literally, this is Michigan City Station. It's crazy. So after about 15 minutes, the shared section finally ends. That was really cool though.
As a reminder, all bags, packages, luggage, personal belongings of any kind need to be in the regular location.
So the next station is Gary Airport Station. If you look on this map, you'll see it's what they call a flag stop. So what happens is a person on the platform will press a button 5 minutes before the train is scheduled to arrive, and that will make this strobe light blink, and only if the light blinks will the train stop. I guess it's blinking because we're stopping. I'm kind of scared. Okay, so I've seen cleaner, but I've definitely also seen dirtier. That over there is the Metra electric line. And from here all the way to our last stop, Millennium Station, we'll be running on Metra tracks. So as you can see, it's dark out now. We've spent the whole day in Chicago. It's been really good. A day out with friends. About the South Shoreline, I liked it. I mean, driving on the streets in Michigan City is pretty cool. The trains are nice. Not as comfortable as Amtrak, not as fast as Amtrak, but a lot cheaper and definitely a unique experience. So if you're looking for a way to get to Chicago, definitely recommend taking the South Shoreline. See you in the next video.